Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and today we are making this delicious Lotus Biscoff Truffle Recipe. These are so delicious, so tasty, and really easy to make. They're perfect for the holidays. You can even give them as gifts. And I don't know about you, but I've made so many cookies. I'm like completely cookied out at this point. So I'm trying to come up with new recipes. This is just absolutely delicious, so let's get started. Into a food processor, combine Biscoff Lotus cookies with just a touch of cinnamon, and you want to pulse this until it's nice and fine. Then into a stand mixer, or you can just use a hand mixer in a large bowl. Add cream cheese and sugar. Blend this up. Next, add in the cookie butter. And if you can't find this, you can look at World Market. That's where I found mine, if you're in the United States. I'm gonna blend this together. Add in vanilla extract. Scrape down the sides just to make sure that everything mixes up really well. And then mix it just until it's incorporated. Add in those cookie crumbs and mix it again. This is gonna go in the fridge for about 30 minutes so it's easy to work with. There's my husband. He'll be so mad at me. Once we allow this to refrigerate for about 15 minutes, we're gonna roll them into balls in about 1 tablespoon size. And just add them onto a cookie sheet with some parchment paper. It's okay if they have little cracks in them or anything like that. You just want to make sure that they're nice and firm. I kind of smush mine a little bit like this first and then roll it into a ball. Depending how big you make them, that you should get between 12 and 16 truffles. I have 14 here. Usually mine start getting a little bit bigger at the end. I think I get a little lazier or something. But these are gonna go in the freezer now for 30 minutes to get nice and firm before we roll them in the chocolate. Next, in a double boiler, or you can use the microwave, melt the white chocolate chips, and then add in the cookie butter and stir this up until it combines and melts really nice. Then you're just gonna take a truffle and dunk it in there, mix it around with your fork, sorry I'm left-handed, and put it on the parchment paper. I like to drizzle a little bit of white chocolate over after. You'll have to melt this on its own though, since it's a different color. Then these refrigerate for about 30 minutes and they're ready to enjoy. That's it, we're all done with this easy Lotus Biscoff Truffle recipe. I hope you decide to make it for the holidays. Let me know in the comments if you do. Thanks so much for being here. And if you're looking for more Christmas recipes, make sure to check out my Christmas puppy chow and my holiday playlist. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.